So the other day, I was starting a project on my Bambu Lab H2D printer when suddenly this error message popped up. Well, come to find out, some black filament had somehow snapped inside the tube of the right nozzle while it was retracting in the AMS. And now that filament was stuck and the nozzle was unusable. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this if this were to happen to you. First step, you have a meltdown. No! Followed by putting off fixing the printer for a few weeks, probably. Just only printing on the working side, which in my case was the left side. Until you find a project where you need both nozzles working, and then you decide to get your life together and fix the stupid thing. I hope this video will help you out in the event that this might ever happen to you. But with that, I'm Eric Sauer with Sweet and Sour 3D. I'll catch you in the next one.